channel. So in today's video I have a get ready with me. I am gonna show you how to do this hair and also this makeup look. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful makeup look and hair, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's a get ready with me. That's why I have these beautiful rollers, or however they're called. I usually put them on the night before, but I forgot, so they have been in my hair for about 2-3 hours. It's not gonna give us a huge change, but it's something. This is a great way for you to do your hair because it's gonna look beautiful and you don't have to damage it. But anyways, today's video is super chill. That's why I have this, which I usually never wear for videos, but it's okay. We're gonna do something really normal, really basic, a smoky eye, something like that, maybe brown shades. But let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is apply our moisturizer. I have this one from Pond's. Okay, so after moisturizer comes the primer and then the foundation. So for primer, I have this one from Cover FX. It says that it's a blurring primer. And for foundation, I have this Natural Finish foundation in the shade N40. So going in with the primer first, now going in with the foundation. So I'm gonna start with this. If we need more coverage, I'm just gonna add some more. And now I'm just gonna blend with this sponge. So the coverage is really nice, and that was just one little bit. I think it depends on the occasion if you want more coverage or not, but this is pretty good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more in the where I have some redness, but it's just gonna be a little bit. So don't forget this area of your nose, because sometimes we forget it and then it's a different color. And also don't forget to bring the foundation down your neck, because it's gonna look good here, but then you can move and it's gonna look completely different. Okay, now first impressions, because I have this new product. This is the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. I love the Born This Way foundation. So in another video, I'm gonna try both of them together to see how they work. But this one is in the shade Medium Nude. So I'm just gonna be applying it on my forehead, down my nose, the top of my lip, and also the chin. So it's kind of like a yellow tone, but I think this way is gonna be more settled. So taking the same sponge, we are just going to blend the concealer. I'm taking it up my lid as well. It's gonna work as a base. So this is a super full coverage makeup. I think that we can even add more coverage, but this is enough for me. For maybe in a special occasion, but if you want to see a more settled with less product makeup tutorial, you can just let me know in the comments down below and I will totally happily do that. Okay, so let's get a little bit closer, because I don't know if that was too far. I have to edit this and see how it looks, but okay. We're gonna go with some contour, and I'm gonna use my matchstick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Truffle. This is my favorite at the moment, so if you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it, because the Rihanna's brand is just amazing. But yeah, this is what we're gonna use. So we're gonna apply the matchstick on the forehead, right here as well on the cheekbone, and down here, so the jawline appears to be slimmer, and down the nose. I am not good at doing nose contour, but I just add a little bit because I don't want my nose to be super light and then the rest of my face to have some shadow. So now I'm gonna take my Real Techniques brush and I'm just gonna start blending. Okay, now for the jawline. Let me tell you guys, you have to blend this really well, because I was in school. This happened like maybe 2 weeks ago, and I didn't blend it, so it was so bad. I could see the whole line. It wasn't blended. I just forgot to blend it, and I didn't notice until I went to the bathroom and I tried to blend it with my hands. It didn't work. So yeah, you guys. Okay, don't forget to blend it really well, and then bring it down, because we need a shadow. We don't need a streak of makeup right there. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush to do my nose just because it's smaller. These are not the brushes that I usually use, but I haven't cleaned them. And I was using them, all dirty brushes. I know, don't judge me. I'm just so bad at cleaning them. I hate cleaning brushes. Because I was using them and they weren't clean, I have so many pimples now, and usually I don't have any. But yeah, I refuse to use them before I wash them. I might film a tutorial on how I do it. I just never do it, so. Okay, so here's the face. Right now, we need to do a lot more. I was gonna bring my roses and I forgot. Give me 1 second. I'll bring them. 1 second. By the way, my sweatshirt says Queen. Here are the roses. My boyfriend gave them to me and they're so beautiful. So we're gonna put them here. You can't see them that much, but I'll move them later. We're gonna go in with highlighter now. I'm taking this Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone. I'm taking this Morphe brush. I don't know the number because I use it all the time and you can't see the number anymore. But anyways, I love highlighter, but I always apply it before my bronzer and blush and all of that, just because it helps me to not show that much. You see, like, that's beautiful, but that's just too much for an everyday thing for me. I'm not doing anything today, by the way, but now for bronzer, I have this one from Physicians Formula. This is the butter bronzer, and I have seen a lot of people talk about this one, and we're gonna try it today for the first time. So this video is like a first impressions also, because I don't remember if I have tried that primer and foundation as well. They always include a brush, but I'm gonna use another one, and here is the bronzer. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush from Tarte. It was a holiday collection. I wasn't thinking on using this because it was for decoration. It comes in this little basket, but you know, since I haven't cleaned anything, I had to use my decoration brushes, but it's okay. So I'm looking for my blush. I really thought it was here, but I don't see it. So let me bring my blush, because I'm gonna add blush today. I usually never add, but we're trying to do things different today. Here it is, people. This is the Milani blush in the shade Blossom Time Rose. And it's super pretty because it has a rose. I'm taking this Morphe brush for my blush, okay? If you think this is too much blush or it looks too reddish, you can always take the same brush that you use to apply the bronzer and just go over it. Don't you worry. I look red. I promise I am not this red in person, okay? It's just the lighting. Okay, now for eyebrows, I have this Browies from Anastasia in the shade dark brown. On one end you have the little pencil, and on the other one you have the little brush. So we're gonna brush them, give them some shape, just add a little bit of color right there because I don't have many hairs in there. I'm just gonna do a line right here and then just brush it upwards, trying to blend it. Do another line right here and just brush it upwards. Okay, now eyebrow gel. You can find this one in Walmart because it's from the brand Milani and it's super good, just so our eyebrows don't move. I'm having so much fun, but this video is taking forever. We haven't done the eyeshadow yet and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it doesn't matter. It's okay, it's all good. Okay, now for the palette, I was looking into my drawer and I saw the Modern Renaissance from Anastasia. I used to love this palette and here are the shades. I don't know what look I'm gonna go for, maybe some browns, orange, this shade right here, maybe also some shimmer, I don't know. We'll see. First, I'm gonna take the Tempera shade and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. Now, taking this shade called Burnt Orange, I'm gonna apply it on the crease. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade called Real Gar and I'm gonna apply it also on my lid. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this red ochre, this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it on the corner of my eye. Now I'm gonna take this shade called Vermeer and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. Wow! Oh wow! So taking the same brush, I'm just gonna blend, 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 blend. Now taking my e.l.f. brush, this is a flat brush, I'm gonna apply the same shades that I put on the crease on my bottom lash line. Now taking my highlighter, I'm gonna apply a little bit on my inner corner. Okay, now another new product. This is an eyeliner, waterproof from Lancome. So you see first impressions, and this is waterproof. You have a little sponge right here to blend, and then the other end is the pencil. Okay, now for liquid liner, I have this one from CoverGirl. I have never used it and I don't know how it's gonna be. I usually go for my e.l.f. one, but I want to change it up. Wow, should have used the e.l.f. one. Okay, so here we have our lashes. They are drying still, but I use these ones from Ardell. These are the Wispies. So while the lashes are drying, I'm gonna take this translucent powder from Laura Mercier to clean up my bronzer. So there we have it. Now taking a brush, I'm gonna just take the powder off. Now for mascara, to blend the falsies with my natural lashes and also for my bottom lashes, I'm gonna take the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Now for lips, I think we're gonna risk it a little bit and I'm gonna try this Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Bunny. To finish our makeup, we need some setting spray. I'll use this one from Kat Von D. This is the Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist. Okay, so here we have it. It's a little bit curly at the ends and you can add some hairspray and it's gonna look beautiful. Okay, you guys, so here is our makeup and hair all done. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments down below what other videos you would like to see on my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!